Romania.
Germany.
Italy.
Iranian Islands.
Spain.
Portugal.
Which one? Turkey.
Amsterdam.
Argentina.
Italy. Japan.
Australia.
Brazil.
France.
Holland. From Chile. From Canada.
North India.
Switzerland.
Holland.
Poland.
Slovenia.
England.
Oh.
And America.
From Las Vegas.
Boston.
We're American.
This is for her YouTube channel.
You understand me? My English is not so good.
Kind of, but that's okay.
The video, maybe it's not good.
No, no. Oh, she is about 5 years old. She thinks I'm her mommy, I think.
You are.
She does.
Eres madre. Sí, guapa.
Yes.
The religious and all the practices are very, very close to Thailand.
Oh, the Buddhism.
That's to that.
Experience and it's
Very beautiful.
incredible,
Yeah, very nice here.
In the village, which the people make their own coffee.
I was sweating eating the bakery today.
You're there sweating your butt.
Yeah.
It's like,
Plus it's spicy.
huh?
And
Yeah, and spicy.
Last year I drink so much beer and people reminds me as a fat belly guy here. And things on sticks.
Sun sticks.
I have mango, so
Mango.
this is,
Mango.
heaven
Yeah.
for me. Yeah.
Spicy.
Good
Yes,
to
it's
come here?
good. Yes.
Okay.
The best in Thailand, if you want to do ghost calling, best one is in Krabi.
Well, the friendliness of the Thai people, their overall courtesy is just stupendous.
So how could we come into nice places in the mountains?
Yesterday we did some nice boat tours. Well, I have read there are 300 temples.
300.
300 temples in Chiang Mai.
So how do you like Thailand?
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
Hi.
UT is very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Cities
Yeah.
are very nice.
It's pretty amazing, all these temples
Yeah.
and the beach as well.
Tomorrow we go to Bangkok
Huh?
for 2 days.
We're sort of undecided which island to go to.
The shuttle dives are the best. Just
Oh, okay.
So
that's
you can see
interesting.
quite a lot during snorkeling.
I'm trying to decide which island.
Oh,
They all
okay.
seem to have a different kind of, you know, some are busy, some are quiet.
That's the best part, that you can walk around and see everything. You don't have to.
An intro to Buddhism class.
Oh, you did. So you know more.
We
If you,
read a little bit.
We did a cooking class actually.
We're just like, we gotta try Thai McDonald's, see if
Yeah.
there's anything different.
oh, in Ireland right now. Wow.
So it's nice to be here at this time of the year.
She's from Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
The dripper slides into its stand to reduce its size and to protect it from being broken. It uses a standard 2 to 4 cup coffee filter. It is compact, 4 inches by 5 inches by 8.5 inches in its travel bag and is lightweight, only 0.75 pounds, 0.32 kilograms. You can also use the aluminum stand and one of the stainless steel cups as a mini camping stove. By just removing the plastic funnel and placing a small heating device under the cup. You can find more detailed videos and specific information about the product at easy-et.com.